Welcome to the Complex Sportif Moulin restraint. Diarra. So it's a big ask for him to be competitively ready for this tough tie against Africa's best. It's when they won Chan in Kenya, he was the man in the middle, and when they lost the under-20 final of AFCON to South Africa, Gassama, relatively new to the international setup. They're up. An effort to play Sinayoko in a slightly more central role. Unai concedes. Here's Unai. Mazraoui back to Unai on the overlap. Decent looking ball back, but it deflects kindly for El Nouri. Mazraoui overruns Gassama. That'll be a space. Brahim Diaz again outside of the boot, back inside. Morocco building up his chances, and it's squared toward the back post after a little touch from Diarra, not put in, but he would have been offside. The flag eventually raised, but creative and industrious.
They are missing this man. You can see that they're used to having him create the play.
Second chance, perhaps. Good little work away from Doumbia. Diaz is Morocco. Diaz is a claim a point from this tie. They'd feel fairly confident about their chances of progressing.
That's what I meant, because
lovely on the overlap. Koulibaly looking to unleash out wide. Sinayoko with looking to get away. Dieng creating space. Loose ball and smacked over. Sangare running onto a decent looking ball headed in his direction, but sense is where Mali maybe will be looking a little more comfortable.
With the way the game is going.
Unai forward finding Saibari. A little touch, runs in world football. Collected by Diarra.
Pretty interesting what Regragui has done with this team, because if you see the way
toward the back post, the header was there, loops up, still not direct at goal bound. This one though is getting the body behind it. Mali managed inside, and again a defensive effort required. This time Lassana Koulibaly a long way back.
What great physicality they're putting into this game. This is...
Though, and four players wait for a delivery to come. It might come. Back post. And it's come off the body of Saibari.
What a player. What a...
28 goal involvements as PSV won the league title in Netherlands. Doumbia thought he had won it, but free kick goes the way of Morocco, just inside Mali territory. Koulibaly wanted it, Sinayoko might get it. Sinayoko thought he had spun past his defender. But with 10 minutes to go to half-time, that's a free kick to Morocco. Under pressure, Doumbia. Doumbia might go himself. Surrounded by many, ricochets off the knee of Sangare.
But nobody's finishing.
Cross coming in, and the chance to finish is there, but Saibari drives it wide. 5 minutes to half-time. He's been the man in the right areas, but he just... Players waiting toward the right flank for Morocco, but that's a ball looking to find Saibari, and it's intercepted by Koulibaly. Saleh delivery inviting, and the header there to be had, but Al-Kabi fails to deliver. The clinical goal scorer can't hit the target.
Here's the ball.
Diaz blows past Gassama, cuts back inside. Was there a handball in the build-up though as well? It's out for the corner now.
What a player, Diaz.
This is a massive call from the Cameroonian referee. Penalty.
Just like
expected.
Just like I said, he didn't need a hand to stop the...
5 days ago, Brahim Diaz gives Morocco the lead in added time at the end of the opening half from the penalty mark. Successfully converts and joins Riyad Mahrez, Mohamed Salah, Nicholas Jackson and Ilyas Ashuri with 2 goals in the tournament. But importantly for the home side, who haven't conceded in 10... Well, we've only just got time to see the kickoff before the half-time whistle sounds. Bissouma protests, the referee is surrounded Brahim Diaz goes over to calm down the Premier League star. Way on at the break, it seems. Neither side is going to make a change before the resumption of play. Second half is underway, says Abdou Abdelmefere of Cameroon. In these two sides in the game, that's the pressure that the midfield is being put under. Free kick. A man who understands this football like very few others. Great chance in from the set piece. A diving El Kaabi, unable to get on the end of it, but the touch is off a Mali player last, and that means another set piece accrues. His anticipation and awareness is so critical in his ability to defend and disrupt himself. Special. To win 20 consecutive games is unheard of. Oh, there's a big foul. Koulibaly being beaten by
That should be a yellow card, in
Saladin.
my opinion. Looking for where are they doing bad?
You think I've made the point? Gets away from two. Diaby still going. Ricochets, Sinayoko, if he can unleash. There's a massive penalty appeal. Bonu picks up the loose ball. And Sinayoko screaming at the referee. Here comes the referee. It's a massive moment. Penalty.
Is he going to break the deadlock?
Sinayoko against Bonu. Slips it under the absolutely brilliant goalkeeper. And while the great penalty saver can't stop this one, Mali have got themselves on level terms against the hosts. Moroccan to score in 4 AFCON editions. He aims to make that 5 on home soil. And how he'd love to do it here to give his side the lead once again. They have dominated the possession, so not unsurprising. It's the ball winning that's been impressive. That'll be a free kick. Morocco again with going to go in the direction of El Bilal Touré. Morocco seeks something to take them back in front. Can't find it here. Sunday Olise. it's one of my fondest memories, Sunday. Delivery in, second chance ball, El Ainoui nods it down, it's not cleared, not at the second common. Great chance here, through ball, and a shot powerfully taken by Enesiri, but dutifully denied.